What's up guys? Today we are going over 5 the best PC case that you can buy under $60. Now without wasting our time, let's begin. Starting of the list, number 1 is Thermaltake Versatake 24 mid-tower ATX PC case, coming in at $59. It comes with installed one 120mm fan at the back. The case also features one USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0 at the front. It comes with clear side window option. Case also have enough clearance for biggest of graphic card long up to 360mm, and enough space for cable management. As far as cooling is important, that sports a single fan at the back and two 120mm fans at the front and two 120mm at the top. Additionally, you can also use two 40mm radiator if you're going with liquid cool build, and fits one 55mm CPU cooler. Number 2 on the list is Cooler Masterbox Lite 3.1 TG. Coming in at just $39, comes with one 120mm fan at the back of the case. Features one USB 3.0 and one USB 2.0 and audio ports at the front. It comes with 4mm thick edge-to-edge tampered glass side window, and black panel at front so your case doesn't look boring. For cooling, it has clearance for two 120mm fans at the front and one 120mm fan at the back. And if you're going with liquid cooling, then it sports 120 to 240mm radiator at front and 120mm radiator at back. And this case also have front and back dust filters. Limitation of graphic card length in this case is 380mm and can fit a 158mm high CPU cooler. Next and third case is Deepcool Dukase V3 windowed. It comes with pre-installed 120mm blue LED fan at back, and 120mm fan at front. This case features one USB 3.0 and one USB 2.0 at the front and 7 expansion slots. For cooling, it has one 120 to 140mm fan at front and 120mm fan at back and two 120mm at top. For liquid cooling, it sports a 120mm radiator at back and 240mm at top, and sports CPU cooler high up to 280mm. VGA compatibility in this case is 390mm. Going with the list, number 4 is Thermaltake View 21 Dual Tempered Glass ATX. Comes with pre-installed 120mm fan at the back of case. This case includes 6 drive bays, and feature two USB 3.1 and HD audio port at the top front. For cooling, this case sports 6 fans, one 120mm fan at the back of case, and one 120mm at top, 3 120mm fans at front. And if you're going with liquid cooling, this case sports 120mm radiator at back and top and 280mm to 360mm at front. This case also includes 3 dust filter. Max length of graphic card this case sport is 410mm. And max CPU cooler height is 160mm. Number 5 and last case is Thermaltake Versatake C22 RGB LED, coming in at $59. Comes with 120mm fan at the back. Features one USB 3.0, two USB 2.0 and 7 expansion slot. For cooling, it sport two 120mm fans at front and one 120mm fan at back and two 120mm fan at top. For liquid cooling, it sports 120mm radiator at back and 240mm at top. It comes with clear side window and front and top RGB lights. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you want more, hit the like button. And if you are new, why not subscribe?